In this video, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my book entitled Step-by-Step Database Programming Using Python GUI and MySQL, a practical approach to learn database programming through progressive project-based example. You can get this book on Amazon and Google Play or Google Books. Uh, this book provides a practical explanation of database programming using Python GUI and MySQL. The discussion in this book is presented in step by step so that it will help readers to understand each material, and also it will make it easier for the readers to follow all of the instruction. This book is very suitable for students, programmers, and anyone who want to learn database programming using a Python GUI and MySQL from scratch. This book is divided into two parts. The first part of this book will discuss about the fundamental of database programming using Python GUI and MySQL. This part will discuss in detail about how to set up your working environment and how to understand GUI programming using Python. This part will also discuss in detail about how to start your database programming. This part will discuss in detail about the basic of database programming using Python GUI and MySQL. The second part of this book will discuss about how to build database application using Python GUI and MySQL. This part will discuss in detail about how to build a multiple document interface or MDI database application through real project-based example. This part will discuss in detail about how to design and how to create database for a library management system application and how to create all form for the application. The final objective of this book is that the reader are able to create real database application using Python GUI and MySQL, which is in this case is a library management system application. All right, let's see the application that you will build in this book. This is the login form of the application. It is the login form of library management system application. This is the main form of the application. This is the user account form, which used to manage user account. You can use this form to add, update, and delete user accounts for the application. You can also change the password of the user accounts. This is the members data form, which used to manage the members data of the library. You can add, update, and delete members data through this form. This is the books data form. You can manage books data through this form. You can add authors data through this form. You can also add book genres through this form. And you can search book data based on its title or author name. This is a loan transaction form to manage loan transaction. This is a book member statistic form. This is the statistic of members based on their gender. This is a book statistic form. This is a book statistic based on their genre. This is a book statistic based on their publication years. This is a loan transaction statistic. You can use this form to see the statistic of loan transaction for each year. All right, that is the application that you will build in this book. So, if you want to learn database programming using Python GUI and MySQL from scratch, this is the right book to choose. Go grab it on Google or Amazon. Thank you very much.